Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine at your home. So, let us continue chapter 11 of grade 5, that is air and water support life. The next topic is properties of air. Now, as we have already seen in previous videos about the importance of atmosphere and composition of air, so here now we are going to see the next topic, that is the properties of air. Now, first point is air is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. That means air does not have any color, it does not have any taste, as well as pure air does not have any smell also, right? Second, air occupies a space. Here one activity is there. If you will take a balloon and start blowing air into it, so what happens? The size of the balloon becomes bigger, or it increases. So this increase in size of the balloon shows that air which we are filling is occupying the space. So it proves that air occupies space. Third is air has weight. Now take three, just this you can do it with an experiment. Take one stick and hang it from the middle so that it will be in a balanced condition. Now take three balloons on one side in which air is not present, and take the same on the other side. So in the beginning it will be straight, it will remain straight. Now take out the three balloons and fill the air in that and then hang it. Now what you will see, that as soon as you will hang it, this stick will bend towards um, the balloons which are having air. So this shows that air has weight. Next is air exerts pressure. Now for this a very simple activity is there which you can do it. Just take a tumbler, right? And just take a tumbler like this, and in between this inside just take one handkerchief and just push it to the bottom of it. Now take this tumbler upside down. This open side you have to bring it to in the lower end upside down, and then try to push it in a container which is filled with the water in straight way. So what you will find, the water will try to move inside the glass, but the air which is present inside the glass does not allow the water to get inside. And as a result, what you will find, that when you are pushing the water in this manner, this handkerchief remains dry, it does not become wet. Why? Because the water is unable to get inside, and that is only because of the presence of the air. So this shows that air is exerting pressure on the liquid and does not allows it to enter the glass, right? Here another activity is also there. Now you just see here that you are surrounded by the air on all sides, and air has weight. That is why where you are sitting or standing, all around you air is present and it is having weight, and the weight of the air pressure against you and exerts a pressure force, right? And you can feel the pressure exerted by the air with simple activity. You can feel that pressure also that air is exerting. For that, what you have to do, you just take one balloon and start blowing the air inside it, right? So when you will start blowing the air will get inside the balloon, and the pressure, the air which is present inside the balloon exerts pressure on all the sides of the balloon. So as a result, if you will go on filling the balloon with air, then slowly what will happen, the balloon will become greater, and as a result, after some time, as soon as the pressure inside the balloon is more than the outside, the balloon bursts, and when it bursts, you can feel that pressure. So that shows that air exerts pressure. Now hot air rises up. Just take a candle, light it up, and place your hand to the side of the candle. So what you will feel? You will feel that no much heat is there. Now just take your hand and keep it on the top of the burning candle. So what you will find, that you will feel here hot more as compared to this condition. Why this happens? Because the air which is present above this flame, it get heated up and it starts moving up. So in the upper region you will feel the hot, right? So this shows that the air heated by the flame is moving up. The sixth property is hot air expands, right? Now how you can show it? So it's very simple activity is there. Just take an empty glass bottle, right? And in that glass bottle just fix one balloon, just okay. Now after that, this you have to take empty bottle and then just put one balloon over here. Now take one container, fill it with water, keep this glass bottle inside that uh, mm, vessel. Now start heating the water. Now when you will start heating the water will get heated up. Because of this, the air, this bottle will also get heated up, and because of the heat of that, the air which is present inside the air, it will also inside that bottle will also get heated up and it will start rising up. So when it will start rising up, you will see that the balloon starts increasing in size. So this shows that air is expanding. So the air which is present here, it is expanding, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.